Hi Smita, how are you?
Hi, good. How are you?
Good, happy Independence Day.
Thank you. Same to you and to everyone who's joined us.
I think everyone, and you're joining us from Mumbai?
Yes, I am.
Yes, you look all dressed up. How was your Independence Day? Did you spend with your family or friends or the...
Always with family. Independence Day is a holiday, so it's always with family. My daughters, my husband, my mom, dad are always here on in August in these days. So they live in Jaipur, but somehow in these days they're always in Mumbai. So we all have a small havan in the morning, and
Wow,
that's how we yeah. So that's been a ritual for a few years now.
you are a true patriot.
I am.
So you are originally from Jaipur?
I'm originally from Jaipur.
And I was looking at, if I can say, Wiki page. You have
Yeah.
been TV since 98.
Yeah, almost. Yes.
So it's like almost going to be like 23, close to 25 years now.
Yes. I have been doing TV for that long. Yes.
So you have seen live really. See, this is before OTT, before Netflix,
Everything, even before these big GC channels, actually, if you think about it.
before the GCC channels.
Yes.
So how much change have you seen in this? Because not many people have seen this industry for 22 years.
Actually, of course, there has been a lot of change. The transition has been huge. We started to Doordarshan used to be like a big channel. Doordarshan that time Doordarshan used to have very good programming, and we used to have a lot of shows. And daily soaps का तो system था ही नहीं. There were no daily
वो
soaps.
वेनसडे को चित्रार आता था, ये
फ्राइडे को
फ्राइडे को
या
आता था।
बट वो हमसे भी पहले आता था. By the time we came in, I think Z and Sony were already there by the time I joined the television world. Z TV was there, Sony TV was there, even Star Plus was there, but Star Plus was just starting off. So yes, but Z was already very big by then. And now with OTT platforms, of course, things have changed completely now, and with daily soaps coming in, television की दुनिया ही बदल गई. The life in television has changed completely.
नो, आई थिंक इन एवरीवेयर। पहले इंडिया क्रिकेट टीम में 10-15 प्लेयर होते थे, आज आईपीएल है। बट बट
Uh-huh.
बट इफ आई हैव टू आस्क यू, इन टीवी इंडस्ट्री in 98 or 2000 when you entered, of course opportunities are बढ़ गई होंगी, but if you have to weigh in opportunities versus competition for people who are coming in, opportunities ज्यादा बढ़ी है, competition ज्यादा बढ़ा है?
दोनों. आई थिंक दोनों में ही इजाफा हुआ है. बिकॉज क्या हुआ है कि अपॉर्चुनिटीज बहुत हो गई, लेकिन अब हम जब आए थे ना, तो सब लोग हर घर में एक एक्टर बनना नहीं चाहता था,
Okay.
एंड अगर बनना चाहता भी था तो there were too many things. People were not very sure about sending their children or their relatives into this medium, into this field. But up to, because of social media and everything, there's an actor in every house. So it's like competition बहुत बढ़ गया. But
टिकटॉक ने सबको स्टार और एक्टर बना दिया।
everyone, so anyone can switch on their camera on the mobile and start acting today. So it is no more a thing where you feel कि अरे पता नहीं बॉम्बे जाना पड़ेगा, बॉम्बे से करना पड़ेगा. बॉम्बे आना पड़ता था. Now you can do it from anywhere. So of course competition बढ़ गया है, but opportunities भी बढ़ी है. But I think opportunities जितनी बढ़ी है, उससे ज्यादा the people who have come in have increased.
So in a way you are saying competition ज्यादा बढ़ा है compared to opportunities.
So yeah, for a person who's coming new today to Bombay to start their career in television or in movies or in whichever platform, I think competition is much more than what we used to have.
तो आई एम अज्यूमिंग आप भी 98 में जयपुर से बॉम्बे आए होगे, तो
बिल्कुल.
see, you are a Bansal, like I'm a Jindal, so I know आप you would be from Agarwal family.
Yeah,
तो
yes.
कितना रेजिस्टेंस था या कितना उस समय मुश्किल आपको आई, if I can get...
Actually resistance, of course. मैं अपने पूरे फैमिली में आई एम द ओनली पर्सन हु इज इनटू दिस प्रोफेशन. और उस वक्त 97-98 में तो ये बहुत ही ऐसा था कि, एंड ऑल्सो बिकॉज आई वाज परस्यूइंग टू बी अ डॉक्टर, आई वाज डूइंग माय मेडिकल. तो सडनली वन डे आई वाज लाइक कि बिफोर आई स्टार्ट डूइंग ऑल दिस, आई जस्ट वांट टू ट्राई वंस कि मैं ये कर सकती हूँ या नहीं. एंड आई थिंक माय डैड जस्ट अंडरस्टूड कि ये थोड़ी, शी जस्ट नॉट सेइंग इट फॉर the heck of it. She means what she's saying. So पापा ने ऐसे बोल दिया कि ठीक है 6 महीने जाओ ट्राई करो, अगर होगा नहीं तो आके अपना तुम मेडिकल एंट्रेंसेस दो और डॉक्टर बनो. एंड it was I think meant to be, and by God's grace मुझे पहले 6 महीनों में काम मिलना शुरू हो गया. And since then I've not gone back to medical at all.
Many kudos to you. I think you look like a woman who knows her mind and heart. कि क्या चाहिए.
I believe, you know, somehow I believe that when things have to happen ना, तो things start falling into place, you know.
पर स्मिता,
तो रास्ते बनते जाते हैं.
पर स्मिता, रास्ते तो तब बनते हैं जब पहले कोई उस रास्ते पे चले.
हाँ, लेकिन उस रास्ते का ख्याल भी कैसे आएगा दिमाग में अगर वो रास्ता बनना ही नहीं है. Is what I believe. Because I from nowhere wanted to act or you know become an actor. वो तो कभी मेरे ज़हन में था ही नहीं. And suddenly one day I thought कि why not? And उसके बाद of course it was, I will not say it was an easy task. It was an uphill journey. मुझे convince करना था अपने parents को, सब हुआ. But still होता गया. मतलब मैंने कन्विंस किया, वो मना भी कर सकते थे, बट थोड़ी बहुत ही मनाई के बाद वो मान गए. सो आई थिंक जस्ट थिंग्स स्टार्टेड फॉलिंग इनटू प्लेस बिकॉज़ आई वाज मेंट टू बी हियर.
पर आपको इस 22 साल में क्या लगा, मतलब कि जो आप सोच कर आए थे, तो इज दिस योर कॉलिंग? आई एम श्योर इट इज, बट मे बी आई एम आस्किंग अ फ्यू टाइम्स.
आई थिंक what I would say is कि जब मैं आई थी तो मैं कुछ होप या एक्सपेक्टेशन से आई ही नहीं थी. You know, I just wanted to try. मैं तो डॉक्टर बनना चाहती थी और वही मैं कर रही थी, वही था. काम मिल गया and I started enjoying what I was doing. I didn't know कि मुझे मजा आएगा या नहीं. I didn't know कि कैसा होगा. I did my first show which was इतिहास on Doordarshan and I enjoyed the process. You know, you're playing some character, you're learning, you're meeting new people every day. Then, you know, the whole process excited me a lot. And then it became something that I wanted to do. Till then it was like I wanted to try it. फिर ये हुआ कि अब मैं ये करना चाहती हूँ. And now I feel if not an actor, I don't think I could have been anything else. मैं कुछ और हो ही नहीं पाती शायद. तो
आपकी कॉलिंग है एक्टिंग इज.
हाँ.
पर इसमें भी काफी आपको रीइन्वेंट करते रहना पड़ता है हर 5-7 इयर्स, या आप आ गया, आप आंख बंद करके भी आप एक्टिंग कर देते?
देखिए, इट इज नेवर कि मैं आंख बंद करके एक्टिंग कर सकती हूँ बिकॉज एवरी कैरेक्टर इज डिफरेंट. तो यस, डेली सोप्स का फायदा ये होता है कि एक थोड़ा टाइम के बाद उस किरदार को आप आंख बंद करके शायद निभा लें. उसमें भी कभी कभी चैलेंजिंग सीन्स आ जाते हैं, but most of the time what happens is always you're learning as you're growing, you know. So it's like every day is something new you will learn on the set every single day because अगर आप अपना दिमाग और आंखें और कान खुले रखते हो तो आप सीखोगे, क्योंकि इतने लोग होते हैं, कोई ना कुछ ऐसा कर ही देता है जो आपको लगता है अरे यार ये भी हो सकता था, ये ऐसे भी किया जा सकता है. So if you are a person who wants to learn and wants to explore, then you will keep growing and keep learning. It will never be कि मुझे तो सब आता है. वो वाला एटीट्यूड इस प्रोफेशन में तो हो ही नहीं सकता, क्योंकि किताबें नहीं है कि मैंने 15 किताबें पढ़ ली और मैं एक्टर बन गई. सो दैट इज नॉट हाउ इट वर्क्स, यू नो. यू हैव टू जस्ट कीप रीडिंग. सो इट्स लाइक दैट.
सॉरी, मुझे काफी मजा आ रहा है इस टॉपिक पे, तो मैं थोड़ा सा पूछ रहा हूँ. होप यू डोंट माइंड.
बिल्कुल पूछिए.
तो जैसे 20 साल में आपने कितने अपने जैसे एक्टर्स देखे हैं जो 20 साल से चलते आ रहे हैं और बेहतर होते जा रहे हैं, या यू थिंक पीपल स्टार्ट हैविंग देयर ड्रॉप, फटीग आ जाता है?
I would say it's both. I have seen both kind of people. I will not say that this one is like this or this one because I'm not taking names here. But yes, there are both kinds of people. Rather, there is one more category of people who just come here not to act, but for the fame of it. You know, they just come कि हमें लोगों ने पहचान लिया तो हमारा काम हो गया. You know, so there are people like that also. So but I would say कि I always tell the youngsters today also कि अगर लंबी रेस का घोड़ा होना है ना, तो सीखते रहो और अपना बेस्ट करते रहो. हर रोज वो नर्वस एनर्जी होनी चाहिए. इफ यू आर नॉट फीलिंग न्यू एवरी डे, you will burn out very soon. So I think there are a lot of people जो मुझसे भी सीनियर्स हैं, जो आज भी परफॉर्म करते हैं तो ऐसा लगता है अरे बाप रे ये क्या कर दिया, you know. So बहुत सारे ऐसे एक्टर्स हैं जो रोज सीख रहे हैं, रोज बढ़ रहे हैं और बेहतर ही बेहतर कर रहे हैं. You know, the more they are aging, the more they are maturing, they are becoming better. But then of course there is a category which is which doesn't know anything, and still they are doing things, and still they are like very happy with what they are doing and very satisfied with what they are doing, so which
Yeah.
really
In
I find it very strange.
in that way, see, if you see Amitabh Bachchan ji, who has been, we have all been seeing for like
Yeah, yeah.
बट आप उनकी जनरेशन से देखिए तो बहुत लोग नहीं उतना ग्रो कर पाए उस अब तक, मतलब दे वर वेरी गुड, बट ही हैज बीन एबल टू रीइन्वेंट हिमसेल्फ एवरी 5-10
Yes,
years. So it's
yes.
not that
But I say कि he's the one actor who's been with the times, you know. He's not, you know, it's very important to evolve. अब अगर हमारी ऑडियंस को ए चाहिए तो आप उन्हें सी नहीं दे सकते हो, you know. It's as simple as that. We are entertainers and we are working for the audience. So we need to keep inventing ourselves and reinventing ourselves according to what audience wants. आज की डेट में मैं ये नहीं कह सकती ये जो प्रोजेक्ट है ना ये तो बहुत ही ज्यादा मॉडर्न है, तो you know this is too this thing. If this is what my audience requires and needs, then it's best to give it till you are. I would say the boundaries is a completely different thing. Audience might want a lot of other things, but it has to be in your boundaries.
in your
So
boundaries.
that is another topic altogether. But yes, where we say this कि हाँ generations के साथ अगर आपको तो I should be able to cater to, you know, the children audience also and youth also, and everyone should be able to like what I'm doing, the performance I'm giving.
But do you think web series has also evolved TV to the serials series to a different level? It like लोग कहते थे TV is like सास बहू. So if I can generalize it, I don't mean that, but
No, it is, yeah.
but the web series has taken the content to a different level, almost at the level of movies or Hollywood or something. And do you think the TV actors are also making transition there? How is it working?
See, the thing is, web series is something which is not like you know वो जो content है उसको कोई censoring नहीं है. Firstly,
Okay.
it is a story which is told in a number of episodes. You know, आपके पास 20 एपिसोड हैं या 11 एपिसोड हैं या 6 एपिसोड हैं, तो आपके पास एक शुरू से लेके अंत तक की कहानी है जो आप कह रहे हो, which is a dream for any person today who's doing television, you know, because television is not unending, you know, उसका कोई अंत नहीं है. आपकी शुरुआत आपको पता है, but अंत का होगा पता नहीं, because it's changing every day according to what the audience is telling me. ये track चल रहा है या वो work कर रहा है, and you are the story is being made as it is being shown. While in web series, what is happening, you have the beginning and the end, and it is shot before it is coming on air. So your story and your kirdar remains what it is. So it is like, I think, a blessing for creative people, because that's what the whole thing is about. कि आज अगर मैं negative हूँ तो मैं अंत तक negative ही हूँ. You know, it's not like it'll change the next month. I don't know. So I think the storytelling is beautiful in web series. There is no doubt about it, and the creativity and the people who want to do you know work which is very meaningful, web series is a great platform there for them. But of course वही होता है कि television keeps you so busy. You know, आप अगर एक daily soap कर रहे होते हो तो आप इतने दिन busy होते हो कि आप किसी और medium की तरफ देख ही नहीं पाते हो.
Right. No, I think in a way, if I can say it in my words, are you also saying कि वेब सीरीज में लाइक मूवीज द स्क्रिप्ट इज वेरी टाइट और शुरू में ही इट इज बाउंड.
या इट इज अ बाउंड स्क्रिप्ट.
बाउंड स्क्रिप्ट बहुत, और टीवी में इवॉल्व हो रही है और कहां से कहां कैरेक्टर चला जाएगा किसी को
See, but it is for an actor it is more difficult to do television,
right,
because you know every day you're doing fresh things. You don't have any time for preparation. You know, हमारे पास कोई प्रिपरेशन का टाइम नहीं होता. हमें वही सीन मिलता है, हम वही परफॉर्म करते हैं. हम जो सीन का उस वक्त का मूड होता है उसके हिसाब से करते हैं. देयर इज नो प्रेजेंट, नो future. That one scene is my scene. So I think it is more difficult to work like that, and plus keep churning episodes every single day, because आपका टेलीकास्ट तो होगा ही. वेब सीरीज में क्या है कि अगर मेरा टेलीकास्ट डेट है सपोज 15 अगस्त, बट मेरा वेब सीरीज रेडी नहीं है तो हम पुश कर सकते हैं उसको शायद, बिकॉज पूरा बनेगा एंड वील. बट वी कांट से कि अब सैटरडे को हम टेलीकास्ट नहीं करेंगे, हम सीधा मंडे को करेंगे. दैट कांट बी पॉसिबल. सो वी नीड टू कीप वर्किंग.
No, I think a lot of people would have, I hope, learned a lot by what you say. See, we are Biryani by Kilo, we are a food company. Let me ask, I know कि आपने बिरयानी बाई किलो से भी वेजिटेरियन बिरयानी, वेजिटेरियन कबाब वगैरह, तो आई एम श्योर यू वेजिटेरियन.
Yes.
So, but what are you a foodie? Do you cook? मतलब normal, it's
So I do not cook. और मेरे बट मैं जितने भी किरदार मैंने आज तक निभाए उन सब में मैं बहुत ही कमाल की कुक रही हूँ, मतलब एक्सीलेंट कुक रही हूँ हमेशा ही, और इसलिए मुझे किचन के बारे में सब पता है, बिकॉज ऑल माय द बिकॉज आई बेसिकली प्ले द वुमन इन द हाउस।
थ्योरी में सब पता है,
थ्योरी में सब पता है मुझे, बट आई डोंट कुक एंड आई एम नॉट ऑनेस्टली नॉट वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ कुकिंग ऑल्सो, बिकॉज आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन वर्किंग, और
No,
घर आके फिर मैं
matlab, maybe it was a sexist question on my part to ask whether you cook, but I would have asked
no.
to anyone, male or female.
No, it's not that way, but what I mean is कि I have never been very inclined towards cooking, because मुझे लगता है कि like you know, I tell people कि अगर आप मेरे घर आओ, people feel कि आप खिलाओगी क्या, तुम तो कुक ही नहीं करती हो, तो मैंने कहा आप मेरे घर आएंगे तो भूखे कभी नहीं जाएंगे, because I know the best places to order from. So you know, I am मेरे घर में whenever you know I'm hosting or something, so I generally always you know call in, food is always ordered. I have an excellent cook though in the house, but उसके हाथ का मैं रोज खाना खाती हूँ, तो फिर you know you also want a change, so I love calling food from outside. My children love food from outside, and I am one of those people who endorses. Even in the lockdown, I was endorsing कि मंगा लेना चाहिए यार, क्या ही हो जाएगा. So I call out for food a lot, and I call out from all good places. So it is all, everything is hygienic and good and nice. But I am not myself. मैं kitchen में जाके host में बहुत अच्छा करती हूँ.
नहीं,
No, layout I will do excellent.
No, you are a good host and you're great foodie. That's all what matters. तो पर मैं आपको थोड़ा, did you like biryani by kilo, biryani kebabs which you ordered for me?
You know, honestly, it was very very good, because generally what happens is biryani का जब नाम आता है ना, तो people are mostly looking at the non-veg side of it. But when we decided to call for biryani, so I'm the only vegetarian in my house actually.
Okay.
Everyone else eats non-veg, but because I was calling for it, so I said I'm calling only vegetarian, I'm not mixing things. So I called for vegetarian, and the biryani was excellent. The paneer biryani was superb. Everyone enjoyed it, and we really liked the biryani, which in vegetarian biryani doesn't happen very normally.
तो मैं आपको बता दूं, इन बिरयानी बाय किलो we have कटल बिरयानी, we have पेशावर छोले बिरयानी, we have वेज बिरयानी, so we have lot of veg kebabs. And अगर मैं छोटा सा introduction,
you know, one thing I will mention here, the starter platter is amazing. You know, the starter platter and the way it comes. So एक होता है कि आप kebabs order करते हो, but you know the way the boxing is and the way the you know kebabs come to your house delivered, they are delivered. It is very interesting looking also, and very you know, ऐसा नहीं है कि ये उसमें mix हो गया चटनियाँ. It was very nice, and I was very happy to see the box of the starters, especially the kebabs.
मैं आपको तो सब अपनी कंपनी का, आई एम द डायरेक्टर इन बिरयानी बाय किलो, और हम लोगों ने बहुत इसको, सो वी हैव मोर देन 50 outlets in India. We are in more than 20 cities. We are the biggest kebab chain in India, and we make it the most authentic way. तो जिस हांडी में दम दे के बनाते हैं उसी में डिलीवर, तो it's fresh, it's hygienic, it's safe. We use the best.
Yeah.
And we are from Bangalore to Calcutta to Goa to Delhi NCR to Bhopal to Lahore to, we are in almost every city. We'll be going. So we believe biryani is India's heritage. तो जैसे world में McDonald's burgers में है, Domino's pizza में, there is a biryani leader which we think we are, and we will take it in the most authentic way. So so that we also, and people because we are in so many cities, from Guwahati to Bombay to Nagpur to Pune, people can, Delhi, Gurgaon, people can order us. आप भी जहाँ भी ट्रेवल कर रहे हैं, शूटिंग कर रहे हैं,
Very nice.
तो आप तो वैसे भी ऑर्डर इन करते हैं.
Definitely, and I thought, like I said, I ordered in a lot. Apart from, you know, the thing is the way the biryani also comes, you know, वो पता चलता है कि you rice and you know the vegetables were like the way it should be, and the I had to really struggle to open the dabba. Then I realized अच्छा इसको काट के खोलते हैं, because that it was मिट्टी का pot.
तो इसीलिए we take 60 minutes, क्योंकि हांडी को बनने में 30 minutes लगते हैं. And we use the best rice. 2 years. So anyway, I think वो तो मैं थोड़ी, but I think you'll always enjoy. Or what other cuisines do you like? I think of your vegetarian.
I am personally, I'm a Mughlai food fan. I love अपना normal Mughlai food. I'm not a lot into Italian and Chinese. More, of course, for the kids, it always comes. It's always pastas and all are always called in. But yes, I love eating अपना Indian food. I am basically a very normal दाल चावल type of a person. दो मैं बाहर से मंगाती हूँ तो भी मैं काली दाल और चावल ही मंगाती हूँ. So it's like and also when I call a lot of biryani because I think biryani is the easiest to serve. Very honestly, क्या होता है बिरयानी में और चीजें नहीं फैलती. आपके पास अच्छी बिरयानी और अच्छा रायता है तो then you don't need anything else. So you know, by the end when people are done with the party and रात में जब खाने जाते हैं तब तक उनको भी जल्दी खा के, तो I think बिरयानी that way. हालांकि जब मेरे मम्मी पापा आते हैं जयपुर से तो उनको लगता है बिरयानी कौन सिर्फ सर्व करता है, you have to have other things with it. तो मैंने कहा नहीं मम्मी, if it is good biryani and it has, you know, everything, the veggies and everything is perfect in it, and or whatever, chicken and mutton or whatever, it's nice, then it's a full meal in itself. So you really don't need anything else.
आप देखिए बिरयानी की हिस्ट्री भी वही थी, ये मुगल के टाइम से तो आर्मी के टाइम में, इट्स अ कंप्लीट मील. लाइक पिज्जा इज अ कंप्लीट मील, पर बेटर क्योंकि इट्स ग्लूटेन फ्री, it is aromas, flavors.
So I'm not a pizza person at all. You know, a lot of people love it, but I don't like pizza much.
In Jaipur, we have a big dine-in as well, biryani by kilo. So when your parents are going, you can tell them, or you are going to Jaipur next time. We are in almost every city, so you can try biryani.
Sure. Definitely.
So, and tell us any other things you want to answer, any questions or comments from the audience on the screen. I'm
firstly, hello everyone who's joined in. Thank you so much, and thank you so much to all the Smita Bansal fan clubs who've been waiting for me to come live. So here I am. I'm live here. So thank you so much for joining in, all of you. And if anyone wants to ask anything, hello everyone. And I am reading here. Okay, thank you.
Are you more popular in Jaipur, Mumbai, or any cities particularly जहाँ ज़्यादा popular हो, या पूरे इंडिया में ही है?
I think I don't know that really, but I would say Rajasthan, because Balika Vadhu was a very Rajasthan-based show. Yeah. So and to top it, I belong to Jaipur. So I think Rajasthan is definitely I believe I should be popular in. I don't know, but not. You know, the beauty of this medium is that it's not only India.
Not in India.
You know, then so many people, so many messages I get from across the world, you know, from places like which I've never visited, never thought of visiting, and people love you from there, send you love from there. It's so overwhelming. Sometimes I feel that God has been so kind and given me so much love from the people. It's beautiful.
आपको हमेशा लोग पहचान जाते हैं, एयरपोर्ट पे होते हो, रेस्टोरेंट पे होते हो, हमेशा पहचान जाते हैं?
मुझे कभी नहीं पहचानते.
Really? How does
I look very different on screen, you know, one. And secondly, I don't have airport looks. I go absolutely comfortable, because for me, travel is only and only comfort. So I will not say कि कभी नहीं पहचानते हैं लोग. एक पहचानता है, then of course if the chain starts. Generally when I'm traveling, तो कोई मुझे ऐसे देख के ऐसे guess करने की कोशिश करता है तो मैं नजर हटा के दूसरी तरफ चली जाती हूँ कि अरे if someone is trying to guess, तो फिर उन्हें लगता है नहीं ये वो नहीं होगी, type of a thing.
आप इनका ज्यादा फायदा नहीं उठा रहे?
I have 2 daughters, and my younger one is not very happy about people recognizing me.
Okay.
So she feels कि आप shoot पे होते हो तो आप दूर ही होते हो, and then now when you're out with me, you spend time with me. Then if someone comes to click pictures and all that, she gets very upset. कि this is my time. So and you can't be telling people नहीं अब मैं photo नहीं खिंचाऊंगी क्योंकि my बेटी doesn't want it. So it's best कि थोड़ा इधर उधर होके चले जाओ. So
I think that's very nice of you. And आपने रियलिटी शोज भी मैं देख रहा था, खतरों के खिलाड़ी, नच पलिए, ये सब भी. तो how do you like doing the reality shows? How difficult or easy? Does it come naturally?
I think easy तो कुछ नहीं है जिंदगी में. Easy word तो I think from dictionary निकाल देना चाहिए, because nothing comes easy. Everything is difficult, everything is challenging, and everything needs hard work. मुझे I think life में जो लोग बोलते हैं easily मिल गया था, I really wonder कैसे मिल जाता है, because I think you have to work hard. you have to be very passionate about what you're doing, and you have to be like very very I don't know, for reality shows you need to have a very competitive mindset.
Right. Okay.
And I'm being very candid here, because reality shows is not something which you just go perform and come back. It is not like that. Reality shows means you're there for competition, win it or then get out, so you cannot just have fun. So when people say we did this only for fun, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है नहीं यार, मुझे तो बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ी इस fun में, because Nach Baliye when I was rehearsing so much day in and day out, and I got into it thinking it'll be fun to perform with my husband, and my husband is not an actor, so it'll be my husband is a director, so I thought it'll be good fun. हम लोग ये करेंगे, but third day of rehearsal पे I was like, oh मैंने किसमें अपना हाथ डाल दिया.
But who's a better dancer, or who's good, you or your husband, in dancing?
So now, before Nach Baliye, I always thought I was the better dancer.
Okay.
But during Nach Baliye, I realized that he is more hardworking, and he's not a dancer, but he would come across better on stage than me. So I was like, which is of course beautiful, but उस वक्त मेरे को ऐसा लगता था, अरे मैं तो हमेशा सोचती थी I was better. But he really did so much effort and so much मेहनत that he used to shine in every performance. So that way, even Khatron Ke Khiladi, because it's something which is about overcoming your fears. So of course, every stunt is such a challenging thing to do.
Not only an act, it's for real.
So see, Khatron Ke Khiladi is definitely not acting. What season I did definitely was not acting, because I really didn't know what was happening and what I was supposed to do. And once I was there, I was used to be like, अरे अब ये करना पड़ेगा. So of course, और अगर मुझे रिहर्स करूँ भी तो शेर चीते वैसे घरों में मिलते नहीं है ना, रिहर्स करो कैसे आप, तो वहां जाके ही होता है जो होता है. So it is definitely not acting. It is a reality show and it is very competitive.
You have not done Bigg Boss?
No. Not really.
And any particular genres or roles you must have done a lot of genres and roles, negative, positive, comedy. Any particular one you really want to do or like?
See, I have mostly done these Saas Bahu shows only, and I'm very comfortable in them. The emotional dramas जो हैं, उनमें I'm very comfortable because it comes very naturally to me, and I am happier in the sense more comfortable. It's not so challenging. Yes, every role is challenging, but it is एक होता है ना कि 5th standard तक तो पढ़ ही लूंगी मैं, ऐसा वाला है. और ये सडनली कोई और जैसे भी शिफ्ट की कॉमेडी है या नेगेटिव रोल है, तो दोस्त कम, उनके लिए मुझे मेहनत थोड़ी ज्यादा करनी पड़ती है. That's about it. But of course, you have to do it. So it's I love working on TV. I love being on set. I love being in front of the camera to do whatever. It doesn't matter. चाहे वो कॉमेडी हो.
So you are you're quite clear कि next 10, 20, 30 years Smita Bansal acting करती रहेंगी and you'll be happy.
Actually, मैं तो हर शो के बाद सोचती हूँ कि अब मैं करूंगी ही नहीं. हो गया, अभी बहुत कर लिया, अब नहीं करूंगी. But then I get a call and then I get excited. Then I hear the role and I'm like, अरे ये तो कर लेना चाहिए, type of a thing. So I don't know. I never planned कि मैं अगला क्या करूंगी या कब करूंगी या कैसे करूंगी. It just keeps happening. Like I said, अगर है तो वो रास्ता बनता जाता है और आप चलते जाते हो.
No, I think you're a very positive person. You're a very talented person. Very beautiful. You will do whatever best. You will always do best. Any message you want to give to the audience? Anything you want to say before we leave?
This only that thank you very much for giving so much love to me all these years and loving me for all these years. It's 15th of August today, so happy Independence Day to everyone. And yes, that's about it. For today's youth, I will definitely say ki please keep your concentration spans little stronger, little bigger. Life is beautiful if you want it to be beautiful. If you make it complicated, it will become complicated. So complication is something which we bring into our lives. It is not there. So I think just have a positive attitude. It's very, very important in today's time. I really, really believe that negativity बढ़ती जा रही है and हमारा जो अच्छाइयाँ हमारे अंदर की ना वो बहुत backseat लेती जा रही है. So let's not get there and let's not become negative people. Let's become positive. Let's spread smiles and love. आप दिन में decide कर लीजिए कि एक अच्छा काम करेंगे, चाहे फिर वो किसी को compliment देना ही क्यों ना हो. It's smallest thing, but start doing that. Make an effort to be a good person. That's what. And very, very important, eat good. It's very, health is the key thing in today's time. I think nothing is more important than health. We all have understood in the last 2 years. Please eat healthy. Please stay safe. Corona is not over. It is still there. Get your vaccinations done. It is supremely important.
So I like to agree. I agree with everything Smita said, and like on being healthy. So I can say, biryani by kilo. We make absolutely healthy, delicious, safe, fresh food. To keep ordering, you can order from biryaniByKilo.com website. You can download our app. We have All India call center number 9555 or Zomato, Swiggy, and we are in more than 20 cities in India. We are the biggest biryani kebab chain. And happy Independence Day again, and we wish you.
And last, I would interrupt and say, whoever is ordering from Biryani by Kilo, do not miss to order the kebabs that package. It is really delicious, and you will love the way it comes. The packing is supremely good. So I think that is a must order. Biryani to hai hi, but do order the starter.
Thank you so much, Smita. Wish you all the best. You're the
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.